not ever eat the fruit where them call thinking toe. Thinking toe. A thinking toe then call it or stinking toe. I know stinking toe. Stinking toe sound too distant. In a the patois, a thinking toe. But the right name I think is locust. So locust. LOCUST. I think it's locust. Something like that. But you don't know that fruit there? Master God. You don't ever eat it? Drop it in the comment section. Put up on a thumbs up, say yes, or not eat it. You don't ever eat it and it come like it a choke on to that? It powdery. Remember me tell you, me woulda eat some right now. Thinking too. You know, we are Jamaican, we speak patois. So thinking to smell sound too